Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of dumpster rental in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Join me as we explore the exceptional services offered by USA Dump Roll LLC, your go-to destination for dumpster rental needs. With our fleet of state-of-the-art trucks and a range of dumpster sizes, we're equipped to handle any waste disposal task, big or small. USA Dump Roll LLC is a reliable and efficient dumpster rental provider for waste management. What sets us apart is our commitment to customer satisfaction. From prompt delivery to flexible rental options, our team goes above and beyond to ensure a seamless experience for each client. Whether tackling a home renovation project or managing waste at a construction site, USA Dump Roll LLC is your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Contact us today at 864-707-8200 or visit our website at www.usadumpanroll.com. Dumpster Rental Travelers Rest SC to learn more. Don't let waste management slow you down. Experience the difference for yourself. Your satisfaction is our guarantee. USA Dump Roll LLC, your partner in efficient waste management.